Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
In the gold market, guys, situation approximately the same as on other assets on the forex market. So price also has taken the pause on upward direction. But recently we have talked that the chances on the minor retracement are really significant because market actually has hit an overbought condition. And in such circumstances, it's very difficult for market to continue upward direction. So we thought that market probably will creep with the overbought line. So every time when it will hit, it will show minor retracement, and the next day it could continue move high. So approximately the same action we see right now. So yesterday the positive statistics from the United States has pushed gold market slightly lower. So minor retracement indeed has started here. But as I said, the major target stands right here is the 1330 area, and it has not been met yet. That's why any pause, any retracement here should be treated as just a temporal action. So that's minor retracement, probably could happen, and after that market should continue move high. Deep retracement currently is also, I don't know what the non-farm payrolls will be, but by technical picture, long-term significant retracement here is also will be not quite logical, because briefly we have talked about this recently. Normally the deep retracement could start either from these stops, this market could wash out these stops and could start move down, or at least in the hitting of the overbought right to the fib level. So here was strong resistance, and getting some deep retracement here should be more logical than right now when the market just has broken this level up. So in such circumstances, pairing of the deep retracement will be not quite normal. It's more probable, as I said, some minor retracement while market will creep till this target. Still, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we've got some shape of the double repo sell pattern. Actually, we have talked about it. Here's even our marking stance in Dinopoly thrust. And we said that you could use this thrust separately for the trading. So you could keep watching for patterns. They could trigger them some retracement. And recall what we said about the double repo. We said that bread and butter will be very welcome because bread and butter stands in agreement with the daily chart in the upward continuation right to this target. So minor retracement getting the bread and butter, taking the long position with the upward continuation. But double repo is a reversal pattern, and it suggests deep retracement right back down approximately at least to the 1293, the 50% support of the thrusting action. Well, maybe before non-farm payrolls this will happen. Besides, we see the same story on the currencies. So on the euro currency, bearish engulfing, on the dollar index, on the cable, also the bearish engulfing, which suggests to be deep retracement. That's why maybe gold market as well will show some deep retracement. But in general, the double repo, guys, here is not as reliable, it's not as welcome, as better to say, than the bread and butter, because it suggests reversal down prior to the hitting of the major target. That stands at 1330. That's why we should be extra careful when we're dealing with a double repo here. Be ready also for possible forming the double repo failure. This very often happens when the market hasn't quite reached the major target. But as I said, it also could work. So that's choice is up to you. If you would like to take the position, well, you could try to take this. This target should be approximately at least the 1293. Besides, guys, if you will take a look at the hourly chart on the gold, the shape of this action is not quite typical for the double repo. Because take a look here, we have rally to the upside, first retracement. Here should be new purchasing step in, and we should see some fast action here. Something of that sort, an attempt to push market higher. And the second drop on the double repo should be the capitulation of the bulls when they see that they can't push market through the stop and this market is dropping. So this is normal market mechanics of the double repo. But here, guys, we did not see this story. So we have the drop. Here, some gradual minor purchasing. It's mostly looks like the retracement of this leg rather than attempt of the market to continue move higher. That's why I'm not sure that indeed we have the double ripple, although on the 4-hour time frame chart it looks like the double ripple. Anyway, dealing with this is just an ABCD pattern. You can see that market has hit here OP target. It's minor retracement. Now market stands downward to downward direction. So next target XOP at 13 even. So it coincides approximately with the 1299 fib level. So maybe this level market could reach on retracement. So as you can see, story on the gold market is not quite easy. So thing decide. We have the pattern, and by later this pattern looks normal. So we have the excellent thrust up. Here is guys reversal candle that we have talked about recently. Close below 3x3 here, close above, close below again. That was confirmation bar of the double ripple. So now market dropping further, has reached the previous tops that have been broken, 1305. This is previous tops here. Okay. And now stands an upward bounce out from it. So potentially and theoretically we not have any flaws with the double ripple shape. But on the price action, on how market behaves, well, I suspect that it's not quite a double ripple, because at least it looks not as it should. This price action, especially with the second top here, it's mostly as a retracement of this drop rather than new attempt of the market to push market higher. So that's what we'll see on the gold market. Besides, as I said, we were mostly watching for taking the long position. That's for scalp traders. Yesterday we said that it's not very good idea to take in long here because market overbought, and indeed market has started dropping. So right now our major primary object is to watch for potential taking or potential for long position. So we're mostly interested when this retracement will be done rather than trying to get the short position based on this double ripple. That's for scalp traders mostly. So let's keep watching what will happen. As soon as we will get some clear bullish patterns on the 4-hour time frame chart, maybe some options triple 2 buy or something of that sort, we could try to step in on the long side of the market.